Hello everyone, this is Dennis from JustOrigami. I know I don't shoot a lot of videos of my face, but hey, this is me. This is the guy that was in all those videos. See, these are the hands you've probably known. But anyways, I wanted to shoot a quick video showing my appreciation for what we accomplished. We did it. We hit the 100,000 subscriber mark and YouTube sent me my play button. I know I got this a couple years ago. We hit these marks, but I wasn't in a good position to be shooting some video. Now I'm in a much better position. And the way I'm gonna start is I'm gonna revamp some of the old origamis that I did. I shot with the low res, poor video quality cameras, and I'm gonna shoot them with this nice high res, good video camera. But if there's anything you guys would like to see, maybe you want me to redo a certain video or have a whole new idea, go ahead and just drop that in the comments below or DM me and we'll see what we can do. All right, until then, thanks a lot guys, I appreciate you.